Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to grade 5. Today we are going to start our first online English class. Let's start with enthusiasm and eagerness to grasp more knowledge from our new book. Open your books and let's start from the very first unit. Our first unit is patience, learning outcomes. After completing this unit, you will be able to pronounce and practice more words with silent letters such as T and G. You will be able to articulate, practice, and syllabify words containing digraphs and trigraphs. Digraphs are two letters which make one sound. As SH, it makes the sound sh, as in shoes, and trigraphs are three letters that make one sound. As DGE, it makes the sound J, as in bridge, badge. You will be able to recognize each paragraph in the text as a separate meaningful unit of expression. You will be able to recall and apply the rules for the use of a and an. These are articles. You will be able to classify adjectives of quantity, quality, size, shape, color, and origin. Now come to page number 2 of your books. Getting started. Here a paragraph has been given for brainstorming and there is a picture too. What do you think they are doing? It feels as if they are group members or classmates and they are doing some work on a project. Let's read out the paragraph to know what are they doing. Azlan, Aisha, Mirab and Ali were group members. They were asked to make a project on the personality traits of Rasulullah Khatamun Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Each was given a particular personality trait to write about. Azlan was to write on patience. Everyone except Azlan completed their work on time. The group members asked him for his part of the project as time was running out. Instead of explaining his delay in writing, Azlan misbehaved with the other group members. He was trying to hide his laziness. Even though their project was now going to be late, Aisha was patient with Azlan's behavior and shared a book with him to help him finish his part. What do you think? Whose behavior was correct? Azlan's behavior or Aisha's behavior? Now come to these questions and try to answer them. The first question is, what values do we need to consider while working in a group? While working in a group, we should be patient. We should do our work with responsibility and on time. And we should cooperate with all the members. Second question is, why is it important to have patience when working with friends? So students, patience is important while working with friends because this quality saves relationship, improves friendship and enhances the quality of work. Next question is, what would you do if you are in Azlan's place? Now think about the situation and try to answer yourself. Now let's move towards the text. Our chapter is starting from here. Patience. Before moving towards the text, let's answer pre-reading questions. Our first pre-reading question is, why are moral values important to us? Moral values are important because they are code of life and enable us to direct our behavior for spending peaceful life. Next question is, have you ever faced any situation in which you showed patience? Try to answer this question yourself and relate any event or situation when you showed patience. Now let's move towards the text and let's translate it into Urdu. Everyone in the world needs some inspiration. Inspiration means मुतासिर कुन चीज़. इस दुनिया में हर किसी को कुछ मुतासिर कुन चाहिए होता है. We get inspired, हम मुतासिर होते हैं and make someone our role model or ideal to be followed. और हम पैरवी करने के लिए किसी को अपना काबिल तक़लीद नमूना बना लेते हैं. In the same way, इसी तरह आई हैव माई ओन रोल मॉडल टू, मेरा भी अपना नमूना है। हु इज़ नन अदर, जो कोई और नहीं देन हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, बल्कि हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम हैं। ही इज़ द ओनली पर्सनैलिटी, पर्सनैलिटी मीन शख्सियत, आप ही की शख्सियत है। हु इज़ कम्प्लीट इन ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स, जो कि तमाम पहलुओं में मुकम्मल है। एस्पेक्ट्स मीन पहलुओं। हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम वाज कॉल्ड सादिक एंड अल अमीन फॉर हिज ऑनेस्ट नेचर। ऑनेस्ट नेचर मीन ईमानदार फितरत। आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को अपनी ईमानदार फितरत की वजह से सादिक और अमीन कहा जाता था। ही ऑलवेज स्पोक द ट्रूथ, आपने हमेशा सच बोला विदाउट कंसिडरिंग, ख्याल किए बगैर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, नताइज का, आपने हमेशा नताइज का ख्याल किए बगैर सच बोला। Now learn the words meanings and try to translate the text into Urdu. We will meet tomorrow with the next texts and its translation. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.